Professional hack that increases home's value and gets the best return at outdated home resale. Did you know that 78% of all expired listings has photos that distract buyers? With outdated staging. Needs clearing after renovation. Needs decluttering. Want to increase the value of offers by 10 to 20%? That's 100,000 on a 1 million property. Don't worry, we have a secret tool to showcase a property's potential without the current occupants having to move out and without spending huge bucks on physical staging. You can create a stunning listing without physical furniture removal or decluttering. Step 1. High-quality photos. Start by taking high-quality photos that capture the essence of the home as it is. Step 2. Virtual furniture removal. Send us the as-it-is photos so we can professionally clear your photos of furniture. Step 3. Virtual staging. Virtual furniture removal is important before you start virtual staging or virtual renovation. Check out our video about additional 5 virtual services for staging your home to sell without expensive staging. As a result, you will receive unique and high-quality photos that will help potential buyers envision themselves living in your home. This way, you will attract much more prospective buyers who are emotionally involved and willing to buy for a higher price. Research has proven that professionally staged homes sell 79% faster and for 17% more than non-staged or outdated staged homes. Properties staged by the Spotless Group typically sell within 2 to 4 weeks of listing and fetch up to 20% more. Has similar listings? Sign up for a free consultation to virtually get rid of outdated staging and show off full property potential and get involved buyers.